We're here at Collegetown Plaza to take a look at studio apartment 9L. Let's go on in. The kitchen is on the right-hand side. Because we're on floor 9, we'll get a dishwasher in the kitchen. That's exclusive to floors 8 and 9 here in Collegetown Plaza for these studio apartments. The other items are the same. We'll always have the refrigerator, the sink, the same cabinets and drawers. There's always a microwave. This one is on the counter. And here's the stove and oven. Let's take a look in the bathroom. That will always be the same in the apartments. So it'll be just like you've seen in the other videos, the shower and tub and the sliding door, and you can see the vanity and the toilet, and there's also a medicine cabinet over on the right. Let's go on into the apartment, and here's the closet, so you can see the storage and hanging space in there, and the dresser over here. Let's take a look around, and there is the desk and chair, there's the bookshelf, there's the dining table and chair. I like how they've arranged the furniture in here for the bed because we do have a nice amount of space between the heater and the bed, so that does help to allow for better heating circulation, especially in the winter months when your heater is on. Now, the other advantage we'll have on the 9th floor, the built-in air conditioners, we have those on floors 7, 8, and 9. So you can open both of those two side windows there. And let's go take a look out the beautiful window, the big window, and see our gorgeous view. So we've got that beautiful valley view to the west. And over to the north, if we look over this way, you can see Cayuga Lake. So you've got that stunning view to the north of the lake. I'm gonna see if we can get it zoomed in a little bit for you. There we go. That's the beautiful lake view that you'll always have on this top floor apartment. That's a fantastic perk to have up here on these higher floors. So that's a look at Collegetown Plaza. The studios are always the same shape and size. The difference will be what you see out the windows, and the built-in air conditioner under the window will be on 7, 8, and 9, and the dishwasher in the kitchen, like we can see over here, will be on floors 8 and 9. Again, we're in Collegetown Plaza, 111 Dryden Road, right in the heart of Collegetown, just 1 block from campus.